First catfish of the day.
Catfish.
Catfish of the day. A little salt bait. The jellyfish just puffing. He moving around. He just moving around.
Fish on. Right here. What we got? Stingray. Another stingray.
Okay, picked a great spot for the evening. Just gonna let the sun go down here and catch us some fish. It's beautiful right in here. Wind's not bad. We're kind of behind the island a little bit. There's that sun going down. It's nice too. Boat ramp over that way somewhere. Nice sunset. Plenty of bait in here. So you see it right in there all over the place. Through the cast net, got plenty. Okay. Sun definitely low in the sky now. Turned into a perfect evening. Winds died down. See if we can catch some fish. We'll stay out for a couple hours here. Catch some fish. So you see the bait right out there. There's plenty of it here. Oh, got a trout. About 16, maybe 17. I'm gonna throw them back.